To access the disability insurance module, head to the Insurance tab and then Disability. The disability insurance module illustrates a default scenario where the client or co-client becomes disabled tomorrow. The disability is set to last through retirement unless adjusted through the action items. To explore additional disability insurance coverage, open the blue action item box at the bottom of the screen. Up first, we have our Summary tab. The Summary tab displays a pie chart for each scenario, which will illustrate existing income coverage, proposed additional income coverage, and uninsured income. Any information about existing disability policies entered on the Profile Net Worth screen will display under the Current Income Coverage. This will include coverage from both individual and group policies. In the action items below, you can customize the disability scenario for each client. As the default, the disability scenario begins tomorrow and lasts through retirement. You can propose additional disability coverage for each client scenario by adjusting the following variables. You can also use the action items to illustrate the impact of changes to the plan inputs on the disability insurance calculation. You can do so by clicking the Edit button at the bottom right-hand corner of the action item selection. When you click on the Edit button, you will see a screen illustrating various goals, expenses, savings, and strategies that you can change to see the impact on the insurance projection. You will also see two tabs on the insurance screen with the names of the client and co-client. The tab labeled with the client's name illustrates the scenario in which the client becomes disabled tomorrow. The tab labeled with the co-client's name illustrates the scenario in which the co-client becomes disabled tomorrow. In each tab, you can choose between two graphs by changing the drop-down menu on the right. The first graph is the income coverage, and this represents annual covered and uninsured income by year of each scenario. Uninsured income is listed in orange, and the total percentage of insured income is displayed on the right of the chart. This projection includes any current and proposed additional insurance indicated in the action items below. The second graph is the invested assets graph that illustrates the impact on investments after a disability scenario arises. The chart displayed in blue shows the projection before including any proposed additional insurance. The chart in green shows the projection including the proposed additional insurance. The Details tab illustrates cash flow information associated with the projection on the Summary and Client tabs. Users can change the drop-down menu on the right to switch between client and co-client scenarios and between the cash flow summary and the ending account balances.